Hunting with guns and dogs is in. But is it as stylish as hunting with a crossbow and capturing your hunt with a trail camera? Guess not. These reviews will help you pick the best crossbow 2020 for hunting. With innovation, these crossbows have been modified to serve the user's purpose and improve their hunting experience. You can find all kinds of crossbows in 2020 that vary in shape and size, but the important factors are not only the pulling mechanism, but also various calibers and the shooting range and velocity. It is however not wrong to state that these modified crossbows are expensive, which is why the best crossbows will enable you to experience new features with less worry of them being destroyed easily. It is up to the user to buy the type of crossbow best suited for their purpose, but spending more money means getting a better product and a livelier experience with the best crossbow 2020 that you have never had. Excalibur Matrix Mega 405 Review. Best crossbow for the money. This crossbow is quite expensive, but it's worth it. This type of recurve crossbow is the fastest one available in the stores. Pros can hit up to 405 FPS and more, allow it to make its mark. Carrying it around is not a problem, because just like all the other recurve crossbows, it is light. The scope is none other than the most expensive scope, Twilight DLX scope, and it goes without saying that it adds up the accuracy of the crossbow. It is definitely not easy to use, hence a lot of features for safety are included. With a speed of approximately 405 FPS, it is one of the fastest bows on the market. Another advantage of having this crossbow is that it is one of the best scopes that can accurately zoom in on the target without any fuss at all. To help you focus, one of the best features is a built-in red suppressor that helps reduce the noise of the crossbow. With a draw weight of about 290 pounds, it is however not a favorable crossbow. Usually, the users prefer crossbows with a shorter pull length that consumes a lot less energy and helps release the arrow at full speed. Mostly longer pulls mean faster the speed, and this is the case with this crossbow, but users do not prefer having crossbows with a long pull length. The adjustment of scope can make shooting and hit the target easily, and one has to learn how to adjust it to make that happen. Another advantage of using this crossbow is that it is a lot less noisy than all the other crossbows and a lot more powerful. 4 Diablo arrows come with this arrow, which works like a charm. What we liked: comes with 4 arrows. Quiet and powerful. Fast to assemble. What we didn't like: heavy draw weight. Bowstring not included. TenPoint Venom Crossbow Review. Compact and lightweight crossbow. TenPoint Venom also has one of the best scopes that improves the accuracy of spotting a target. This crossbow is best for both professionals and beginners. Assembling this crossbow is extremely easy. If cocking the bow is a problem, then the advantage of using this bow becomes quite clear, as it has a built-in rope cocking feature. Hunting bear, moose, and deer are quite easy using this crossbow. Mostly all the TenPoint gadgets have exceptional performance. The scope is already focused, so, after fixing it, not much adjustment is required to start using it. The power of this crossbow is estimated by the weight of the arrows used. TenPoint offers a constrained lifetime guarantee on the majority of its products, including crossbows, yet you should complete the process of the warranty card and give it back in 30 days of buying the crossbow to enact the warranty. The multi-layered optics amplify and zoom in from 1.5x to 5x, and the transmission of light on this degree is completely amazing. Each shot is swift, just like the flight of the arrow, and the scope is generally as accurate in low light as well as bright conditions. The scope aims effectively and remains constant even after a considerable measure of knocking and jerking movements. What we liked: comes with great scope. Super easy to assemble. Bolt-in rope cocking system. What we didn't like: lacks of features compared to other crossbows. Loud safety click. BARNETT Ghost 410 Court Review. Fastest Crossbow 2020 Editor's Choice. the Ghost 410, my personal favorite and probably the most famous and rated crossbow by BARNETT. What if I tell you that this crossbow is capable to shoot an arrow at the speed of 410 feet per second, and this is the fastest crossbow in our list, and not that much expensive like the above two? I am sure you will say, wow, that must be the most expensive crossbow out there? Well, I must tell you that it is not an inexpensive bow, but it doesn't cost a fortune either. It is cheap in cost as compared to the above two and provides more value money. What we liked: very fast 410 feet per second shooting speed. Inexpensive considering the features. Red and green dot scope illumination. What we didn't like: no noise dampening system, making it noisy. BARNETT Buck Commander Extreme Review: lightweight and fast. The weight of this crossbow is 7 pounds and 10 pence, and it is one of the lightest compound crossbows available in the market. The Buck Commander Extreme is made up of all carbon and aluminum, and that's the only reason it is light in weight. It is compact when cocked, and that's why it is extremely easy to use either on hands or on the tree stand. The BCX is capable of doing a lot of wonders which a hunter ever wish. It comes with all of the tools, so you can enjoy hunting right out of the box. It can shoot arrows at the speed of 365 feet per second, and it can produce the 118 feet-pounds of kinetic energy, which can take the arrow deep inside the target. Accuracy with the crossbow is great, thanks to the illuminated 332 scope. What we liked: lightweight. Solid scope. What we didn't like: noisy. Excalibur Matrix Grizzly SMF Review. Excalibur's most affordable crossbow. Excalibur as a crossbow manufacturer is considered one of the most expensive brand. But here is an affordable option. The Grizzly is a great recurve crossbow and attention seeker for medium and small game hunters. The design is well balanced, extremely easy to use, and easy to assemble. The weight of this bow is only 5 pounds and 50 pence, which makes it perfect for teens and women. The materials used in the sturdy frame is composite and provides strength and durability. The accuracy is great. 30-inch narrow limbs provide a straight path for the arrow, and the build is strong enough to bear 200 pounds of draw weight. Let's have a look at the best features of this crossbow. The maximum velocity of 304 FPS helps this compact crossbow to take down small to medium level games. The package includes 4 arrows, so you can start practicing target hunting or archery right out of the box. The adjustable scope ensures the accuracy, and 200 pounds of draw weight ensure the kill. Excalibur Grizzly is designed to be lightweight, easy to use and efficient to shoot. In short, you will get what you will pay for. What we liked: very lightweight. Great accuracy. What we didn't like: no anti-fire mechanism. Noise dampeners or suppressors are not installed out of the box. My personal choice: why I like BARNETT Ghost 410? The editor's choice is BARNETT Ghost 410 that has a shooting speed of 410 FPS and can be handled by the beginners as well as the professionals. The noise suppressors are not included, however, which makes this bow quite noisy. Other than that, the fact that this bow is for all kinds of users makes it a great choice and a good candidate.